In today's video, we're going to show you the importance of not trusting the sat-nav display or the display on your dashboard, because this is a road that you may know well, but they've actually moved the speed limit signs. Now this part has always been a 30 and still is. So you may think, well, I've travelled this road for years, I know it. And it's normally about this point that it would become a 40-mile-an-hour road. And we can see that from the remnants of the original road marking on the red tarmac in front of us, that it kind of still shows that it's a 40. But remember, it's been scrubbed out. There's been no change of speed limit signs to 40. There are no repeater signs anywhere. So this is still 30 miles an hour. Again on the floor, remnants of the 40s, but no change of speed limit, no repeater signs. It is still 30 miles an hour. Still 30 miles an hour. Now in the distance we can see the new change of speed limit signs to 40 miles an hour. So from this point onwards it does become 40. But for many years it was at this point it actually became 50 miles an hour. So it's to bear in mind if there is a speed camera van or an officer with a handheld speed radar, it is a 40-mile-an-hour road and not a 50. And that's confirmed by the repeater sign on the left there, that it is 40. So all up this stretch is still 40 miles an hour. Now, once we pass these signs, this is when it becomes a 50-mile-an-hour road. So just something to bear in mind if you're driving around Telford or just driving in general. Try and go by what you see rather than the speed limit on your dashboard or the speed limit on the sat-nav, because they may not have updated it at this point. So there's no point getting a speeding ticket or risking the points on your license. Just go by what you see. So we hope that's helped you. My name's Chris from Driver Training Ltd. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you all again in our next video. Remember, stay safe, drive well, and we'll see you soon.